Join me as I take on the challenge of managing my student loans while trying to save as much money as possible. Managing student loans is a crucial aspect of achieving financial health. It's essential to understand the importance of tackling this debt head-on to avoid financial stress and anxiety. Student loan debt is a harsh reality that many students face today. The rising cost of tuition is making it increasingly difficult for students to afford their education without taking out massive loans. As a result, many graduates are left with a significant amount of debt that can be overwhelming. The thought of paying back tens of thousands of dollars can be daunting, and it's not uncommon for students to feel like they're drowning in debt. Unfortunately, this debt can also delay major life milestones, such as buying a home, getting married, or even starting a family. The pressure to pay off student loans can be intense, and it's easy to see why many students feel overwhelmed. Furthermore, the interest rates on student loans can be incredibly high, making it even harder to pay them off. This can lead to a cycle of debt that's difficult to escape. Many students also struggle to make their loan payments on time, which can negatively impact their credit score. A poor credit score can have long-term consequences, making it harder to secure loans in the future or even get approved for credit cards. The consequences of not managing student loans effectively can be severe and far-reaching. Moreover, the emotional toll of student loan debt cannot be overlooked. The stress and anxiety that come with carrying this debt can affect mental health and overall well-being. It's common for students to feel like they're in a never-ending cycle of debt, and this can lead to feelings of hopelessness and despair. On the other hand, managing student loans effectively can have a significant impact on one's financial health. By understanding how to budget, refinance, and take advantage of loan forgiveness programs, students can break free from the cycle of debt and start building a secure financial future. So how can you manage your student loans effectively? First, it's essential to create a budget that accounts for your loan payments. By prioritizing your payments, you can ensure that you're making progress towards paying off your debt. Refinancing your loans can also be an excellent strategy, especially if you have high-interest loans. This can help you save money on interest and pay off your loans faster. Additionally, many loan forgiveness programs offer a way to wipe out some or all of your debt. For example, public service loan forgiveness programs can forgive your loans after making 120 qualifying payments while working full-time for a qualified employer. Similarly, teacher loan forgiveness programs can forgive up to $17,500 of your loans after teaching for 5 years in a low-income school. By understanding these options, you can make informed decisions about your loans and create a plan to pay them off. I'd like to share a personal story with you that illustrates the impact of effective student loan management. My friend Rachel graduated with over $50,000 in student loans. She knew she had to take action to pay off her debt, so she created a budget and prioritized her loan payments. She also refinanced her high-interest loans to lower her monthly payments. By making consistent payments and taking advantage of a loan forgiveness program, Rachel was able to pay off her loans in just 5 years. Today, Rachel is debt-free and feels a huge sense of relief. By managing her student loans effectively, Rachel was able to break free from the cycle of debt and start building a secure financial future. Her story is a testament to the power of taking control of your finances and making smart decisions about your loans. In conclusion, managing student loans is crucial for achieving financial health. By understanding the challenges of student loan debt, creating a budget, refinancing, and taking advantage of loan forgiveness programs, you can break free from the cycle of debt and start building a secure financial future. Remember, managing your student loans is not rocket science, but it does require discipline, patience, and persistence. Leave a comment below and share your experiences with student loans. Have any tips or strategies that have worked for you? Let's discuss. And if you want more financial tips, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.